Welcome to Crewe Today you have a Seat Toledo 1 litre TSI Excellence finished in midnight black. Features on the car include full LED headlamps, front parking sensors and front fog lights. The car comes fitted with 17-inch alloy wheels, has integrated indicators built into the mirror housing. As part of the standard specification, the car comes with privacy glass. There's also parking sensors at the rear. The Seatbelt badge doubles as a boot handle, revealing a cavernous loading space. And being the Excellence model, the vehicle also has a full-size spare as well. Car seats 5 in total. Has ISOFIX on the rear bench for baby seats. There's also 2 USB ports in the back of the armrest. The car comes with 4 electric windows, electric heated mirrors, leather multifunction steering wheel with cruise control. There's also keyless start as well. The car's covered just over 6,000 miles. Has a large touchscreen media display with DAB radio, Bluetooth streaming, hands-free calls, satellite navigation and traffic updates. There's also digital climate control, USB port and 3.5mm auxiliary, 12-volt power source and armrest in the centre as well. If you'd like any further information on this car, please contact Patrick here at Crewe. The best number to get me on is 01270 50 70 40. Thanks for watching.